LeadSquard CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses capture, track, and convert leads into customers. Here's how to use LeadSquard CRM effectively. Sign up and set up. First, sign up for LeadSquard CRM by visiting the LeadSquard website. After logging in, you can set up your account by customizing your dashboard, workflows, and lead capture forms to fit your business needs. Capture leads. LeadSquard allows you to capture leads from multiple sources like landing pages, forms, emails, social media, and more. You can create web forms to capture lead data and integrate with your website, or use LeadSquard's mobile app to gather leads on the go. Lead scoring and management. Use LeadSquard's lead scoring feature to prioritize leads based on engagement and interest. The CRM enables you to segment leads and organize them into lists, making it easier to track and follow up. Automate workflows. Automate tasks like follow-up emails, notifications, and reminders by setting up workflows in LeadSquard. This ensures that leads are nurtured consistently. Sales and marketing automation. Set up automated email campaigns, SMS messages, and social media follow-ups. Track interactions to understand your leads' behavior and adapt your marketing strategies. Analytics and reporting. Monitor your leads, sales, and marketing efforts through detailed reports and analytics to gain insights into your business performance.